Hello, do you want to have Baileys or do you want to have ice cream? Well, now you don't have to choose anymore. Introducing Baileys ice cream. Baileys, the original ice cream. Let's get straight to the point. The packaging, it's alright, it's not great, but it's not bad either. It's basic. We have the Baileys logo here, also on the sides, and on the back, lots of information. This is too much information, and the display, it's not really great here. But it doesn't matter what the packaging is. What matters, it's what inside. So, opens easily, that's good. It's like a door. We have 3 pieces of ice cream. This wrapper, it feels weird. It feels like a cheap ice cream wrapper. So it's not like same as Magnum. Let's take a look inside and what we have. Yeah, definitely not same as Magnum. Look, it's just this white plastic inside. When you open Magnum, it's gold. Look, this is the ice cream. It's kind of small and it's already cracked. Look, the quality already cracked. Let's smell it. I can taste the Baileys a little bit. Look, there's a hole here. There's a hole already. Not good manufacturing quality. Everything in this feels a little bit cheap like. This looks like an artwork of some like intern in your company, like someone who is not experienced with graphic design. Or maybe they used AI to make this design. Yeah, look, cheap wrapping. And yeah, only 3 pieces also in one package. It should be more, I think. But anyway, it's not about the packaging, it's about the taste. So let's give it a try. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Baileys, the original ice cream, tastes any good. Here we go. The chocolate layer, it's thin, very thin. But the taste, it's Baileys. Oh, the Baileys, the alcohol made by Diageo. It got melted a little bit, so it's like falling off. Now you got the cream as well, the ice cream. The ice cream. Interesting flavor. It's like a little bit like the Baileys cream, maybe with some vanilla. The chocolate layer is very thin. Now I understand why Magnum is so popular, because they have a thick layer of chocolate, but this one is very thin, and also there's no crack when you bite to it. Magnums, it's very like it's a hard chocolate, so there's this cracking noise that is like satisfying when you eat them. That's why people make ASMR videos with Magnum. But it doesn't work with this kind of ice cream because there is no crack. The Baileys flavor, it's not as strong as you would expect when you buy Baileys. Like, it's very distinguished flavor of Baileys. I don't know what to say. From the packaging, you can expect it to be like a little bit less quality. And we saw the build quality was also a little bit less. But taste-wise, it's actually pretty good. Diageo, Baileys, very good alcohol, also works with ice cream. So yeah, this, I noticed it's made by DMK Ice from Germany. This company makes it, But the Diageo who makes the alcohol just license it, the Baileys brand, and it's 0.3% alcohol. Yeah. Baileys flavor 8% only. And the chocolate on the cover is whole milk chocolate. Yeah, even though this chocolate was thin, I noticed it is pretty good chocolate. Because it's made with whole milk, not some powder or not some skimmed milk. Everybody hates skimmed milk. Who wants to drink a milk and then they take the natural fat away? Nobody. It's good for you. You need to have the whole milk. It's pretty interesting ice cream experience, but not on the same level as Magnums or Ben & Jerry's. Still, I would say good product overall. 8.5 out of 10, definitely. It's a solid ice cream. Maybe minus points for the price because you only get like 3 in 1, and this was like more expensive than other ice creams. But it's the same with Magnums. But the ice cream itself is also pretty small, smaller than Magnum. But if you like Baileys, the liqueur, definitely give it a try. But if you're like alcoholic who are trying to get away from alcoholism, don't try it, because this will wake you memories of the alcoholism and you will fall back to the track of no return and your life will be ruined with this ice cream. So not recommended for AA members. AA members, don't buy this, but everybody else, buy this. It's a great ice cream, great taste. Also Baileys. Bonus points for collaborating with ice cream makers, because Baileys itself is like, it's not about the alcohol. Baileys also taste good as just a liquor. So yeah, I really like this ice cream. But considering the price and all the packaging and the other stuff, manufacturing mistakes and the size of it, it's only 8.5 out of 10. If they can fix those, this can go up to 9, maybe even 10, because Baileys fits with the ice cream very well. But yeah, leave a comment below if you tried it or not, and if you liked it. And as always, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next review. Thanks for watching. Thank you Diageo. Thank you Baileys.